he lead the member of Blabatu village to be represent Gotong Royong. You know that Gotong Royong? Yes, I know Gotong Royong. Because Gotong Royong is part of how humans characters from one village to another village. Look at them. They're ready to dance and ready to lead the people to knock the bell at school to start for Gotong Royong. Because Gotong Royong is basic of our character from the 5 principle of Pancasila. Gotong Royong is very important for you to be followed as like Blabatu as Baris Topeng as created then by myself, Sudirawan.
Tarian Bali Topeng ini menceritakan atau menggambarkan sebagai masyarakat yang besar dengan sikap dan karakter yang berbeda-beda, maka melalui kreasi dan ekspresi masing-masing mereka memperkuat kegotong royongan di dalam sebuah perayaan besar dengan mempersiapkan barisan komando, menjaga stabilitas dan mempertahankan seni dan budaya. Maka melalui cara itu kita ucapkan rasa syukur atas keberhasilan ini dengan membuat pesta bersama yang dipersiapkan oleh para bala-bala.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, we are very proud to perform Baris Bala Topeng from Blabatu. You come and see, please come and watch them and really want to prepare the food for you. Because Bali start to be culinary tourism. Because